ready to start installing some of these LEDs. I am going to put these two LEDs inside of this live well. Do you need LEDs in your live well? Probably not. Do you want LEDs in your live well? Probably. Why not? I love LED lights. I think it's a very simple, cheap, cool thing to add into the boat, and they look sick, so why not? Drill our first hole with a 3/16 starter bit. We come back with a 3/4 inch paddle bit. Clean our holes up. Sweet. Get some sealant on those, let them sit up and dry, and we'll hook up the rest of the wires. Let's get on to some more LEDs. Alright, so everybody always asks me, what lights are you using? What LEDs should I use? I hate answering that question because as soon as I do, all the Richards chime in and they want to tell me about how they're cheap and they're a piece of junk and I'm wasting my time, blah, 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 blah. Okay, whatever. Technology is insane now. These LEDs are perfectly fine. They will last just as long as most of the expensive brand ones. And if they don't, then you know what? You only spent $12 on a row of 10 lights that literally will take you 10 minutes to cut the wire and hook up 2 new butt connectors, and you got another one in there. This is what I'm gonna be putting inside of all of the compartments. They're already pre-jumped and wired, which is sick because in some of the compartments, I can just leave them. I wish it was a little bit longer, could separate them a little bit more, but these things are super bright and they are waterproof and they have a sticky back on them already, which is pretty strong. But not only that, they will be mounted inside of the hatch, out of the elements. I'm gonna show you how bright these $12 10 strip of lights actually is. Yeah, $12. I think she'll do. But we're gonna put all these LEDs in there because we have them. Might as well put them in there. This thing's gonna be sick. I'm gonna get back to work. Alright guys, so I got all the lights installed in this rear bench and in the rear storage compartment. I put 4 in here, 2 on either side, and I put 2 in the back. The 2 in the back is probably good because they have a huge gas tank on this side, and that side's probably gonna have some life jackets or something in it. You're really not gonna be accessing this area when you're out on the water. This is gonna be your main storage area. I mean, this door is gonna open towards the front of the boat. These are gonna open towards the back of the boat. So this is where he's gonna keep most of his storage. Our compartment storage lights. This thing is gonna be lit up like the 4th of July. You're not gonna have to worry about seeing anything inside of those compartments. I did end up putting 2 up inside of this front compartment and 2 inside of this storage compartment here. And then we have another 6 in the back bench. It's gonna be sick. The only other LEDs I have to run are the interior rail lights and the exterior rail lights, and that's it. Alright, so I just got all of these LEDs installed on the rig, and man, I tell you, this thing is looking so dope. Super sick, bro. Like, geez, I love this colorway. Customer wanted blue LEDs, and this blue looked killer on the side of this hole. Especially once I get all these decals on here, it's gonna be really sick. But I chose the amber on the inside because they really cut down on the bugs. The amber and the red lights, they tend not to have a lot of bugs around them, so I like to put those on the inside because that amber will really light up this boat at night and you'll be able to see everything inside of it, and you won't have to worry about a ton of bugs swarming around your face. I didn't even realize it, but it's the same exact colorway I put on the Punisher. The Punisher is back. Had a couple little quick mods I had to do to it. I really love this boat. This thing is so dope. I got it fixed up today. Customer's gonna come pick it up tomorrow. This is a really sick build though. All right, so with all these LEDs already installed in this rig, the only thing I have left to do is install all of the metal work on the deck and stuff, all the hatches, and then I'm going to start turfing this thing. It is going to be really sick. I'm hyped about this. I'm hoping to start all of this turf in the next day or so and get this thing wrapped up pretty quickly. All right guys, I hate to do it, but I have to call this one. It's getting late, the video is getting kind of long, and it's about that time. I had a great day today. Today is actually Sunday, May 22nd. I went out this morning and did some fishing in the Elizabeth River, and I caught a bunch of puppy drums, some striper, and I brought home some dinner. Put some food in the freezer, went to the local fair with the kids and the wife, and it's been a good day. I put a lot of time into the boat this weekend. As always, made a lot of progress. All these LED lights, they're very time consuming. I feel like I'm in cruise control a lot of time when I'm hooking up all these wires and stuff. I've done it so many times, it's just so repetitive. But it's done. And now all I gotta do is rivet down all the metal work and start turfing the thing. I've already got the decals on order. My homeboy's hooking me up. I will have those probably in the next day or so. And we're gonna wrap this build up pretty quickly. I appreciate you guys that are still watching this video because I need to grow the channel. And y'all watching at this point in the game is really helping me out. So if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, the like button, the share button. Help me out. I'm gonna go ahead and get back to work. I'll see y'all on the next one.